A radiologist isn't going to trust a model that just says abnormal. They need to see where in the scan the model is looking at in the first place. Otherwise, it's worthless clinically, honestly, no matter how accurate your number is. That's exactly the bar Cure AI has to clear. It's radiology AI, a prediction where explanation doesn't actually help a doctor make a decision. So the trap is picking one explainability method, running it once and calling it explainable. Sharp and Lime work completely different under the hood, and on a genuinely ambiguous scan, they can point at different regions as the reason for a finding. So the fix is, my friend, run both and treat agreement as your actual confidence signal. When Sharp and Lime agree on where the finding is coming from, that's the real corroborated evidence. Two structurally different methods landing on the same answer. There you go. When they disagree, that's still not a noise that you should hide. You should flag it for a radiologist to kind of look precisely what explanation is needed. So this distinction matters clinically, you know. So a region a model highlights can be strongly associated with the prediction without the association being the actual causal driver, and conflating the two. And in a high stakes medical context, that's a real risk. So I've packaged the Sharp versus Lime agreement check specifically for these two imaging models. Comment imaging below and I'll send it your way. I break this down weekly. Join the Demandion community. The link is below. Let's build medical AI that shows its work.